Okay guys, so I finished my test waist bead. I have it on. So I actually decided to burn the ends on this one. I normally don't burn the ends on my waist beads, but because of the type of thread that I'm using, it's S-line. I wanted to burn the ends, so I burned the ends. I'm going to be testing out this waist bead, and I'm going to come back and let you guys know what I think about using the S-line thread. And let me just show it to you. So this is it. This is some S-line thread, and so far I think I like it. I really think I like it. I've used S-line only one time before, and it was when I first opened the business, but it was not that thick. And so I think, well, I'm gonna let you know what I think about it. I'm gonna put it to the test now. I'm gonna put it to the test. Just shoot me an email, or you can DM me on Instagram, and I will be sure to get back with you. Also, we're on Facebook as well, so I hope that you will follow me on all of our platforms. And oh, one more, we're on two more. We're on TikTok, and we're also on Pinterest.
Much later.
Okay, so I made 2 waist beads for me to test out with this S-line thread, and let me just tell you, I like it. Seriously, guys, I tested this S-line thread on these 2 waist beads that I made. Let me just start with what I didn't like about it. And it's not really that I don't like it. It's just that I'm not used to tying knots on this type of thread. So I'm going to have to get used to tying knots on this type of thread. But let me tell you, once I get those knots, y'all, it's proven to me to be very durable. It feels, the weight of it feels a lot different than the other threads that I've used in the past. I think it handled pressure well with my everyday lifestyle, working out, and doing housework, and all of my extracurricular activities, bathing in them. It really did really well, this S-line thread. So let me just say, I do like it. Will I replace it with the thread that I'm already using? I won't replace it, but I will also be using the S-line. I do recommend it. Let me just see, is there a particular type of S-line? Let me look and see, guys. So this S-line thread, it says it's by Bead Smooth. I'm sorry, it's by Bead Smith. I'll show you the pack in just a minute. So it's S-line bead cord. It's made by Bead Smith. It says it's medium, text 210. Let's see, it's 0.5 millimeters with 3-ply twisted bonded multi-filament nylon cord, whatever all that is. So it's a nylon cord, guys. It says it fits sizes 6/0, 8/0, and 11/0 seed beads. It also fits other beads with at least a 0.8 millimeter hole. And so, which this works with the bead sizes that I use. Typically, I use all 6/0 beads. I do have a few 8/0 that I am using. So I'm gonna tell you, I like it. I like it. This one came from Hobby Lobby, and it's a pack of 4. It came with 4 different colors in it, and the one that I used, just hold it out and ready, huh? What I do with, here it is. Y'all, excuse me, this is office organized day, so I got stuff everywhere. So anyway, so I use this brown here, and like I said, I like it. I like it a lot. It's S-line again. It's a 3-ply nylon bonded cord. It says it's 5 millimeters with 3-ply twisted. Can y'all see that consistency of it? It fits sizes 6/0, 8/0, and 11/0 C beads, as well as other beads, it says. So yeah, I definitely like it. I'm gonna continue to use this. Definitely, if you're looking for, you know, cord. Now this is, like I said, this is a nylon S-line bead cord, and I also use. If you watch my prior video that I did a while back when I was talking about different threads and cords that I've tried and used. So y'all know my go-to is, of course, the 100% cotton thread. This is what I've been using, what I really, really like to use. And so now I'm going to add the S-line bead cord, nylon cord to my inventory. I like it. So that's what I think about the cord, y'all. And I can show you the waist beads that I made that I've been trying. So let me see if I can find them for you. So it's this one here, and this one. So these two are the two that I use the S-line cord on. Y'all, I'm talking about, look at that. Again, I'm gonna, you know, this knot, it's pretty sturdy. I put several knots in it, and I burnt the ends. But I'm loving this. It's not giving at all. You know, it's not, I like it. Now these are all I made on my 100% cotton. So it's still really good. Like, these are my cotton ones, okay? And then my S-line. So I hope that me trying this and letting you guys know my thoughts on it, I hope that you will still, if you're thinking about using S-line or even the 100% cotton, you know, always test your own cord and thread that you use. Test them out, because every cord, you know, may not work for everybody. So just because, you know, it works for me, or if I like it, doesn't mean that you will. So I do encourage you to still test your cords and your threads out to see if it's going to be a right fit for you. So for me, I do like the thread and the 100% cotton thread, and I do like the S-line. So that's all I have for now, guys. I hope it's helped you in any way. Connect with me in the comments. Please like this video. Share it with your friends and family. Most importantly, go and check out my website at AmaniBeadwear.com. Use code BEADME and you will get a percentage off of your order online. Let me bead you today, guys, and you can just see for yourself, you know, how my waist beads will make you feel during your waist bead journey, during your weight loss journey, during your self-care, self-love journey, you know, or if you just want to wear them for your trendy or your fashion statement. Guys, let me bead you today. So I do want to invite you over to AmaniBeadwear.com and all of my links. And the code for your discount is in the description box. And I will see you on the next video.